Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And so first method, Windows update service restart. Click to start and type services.msc. You can type simple services and right click to run as administrator. Then click to run. Then click on Windows update. Slow down Windows update and click open this and select automatic, then apply and then OK. Then guys click to restart, then closed. Okay, second method, perform clean boot. Okay, so click to start and type msconfig. Okay, open this, click to services, hide all Microsoft service to disable all and then apply and then OK. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last. So click to start, type service, right click to run as administrator, then click background, this background installations, transfer service. So double click to open, starter type automatic, then click to start, and then apply, and then OK. Then select, then again click to restart. If already started, already is working, start, so you can click on restart. Okay, and close it. So next, run disk cleanup. So disk cleanup is useful when your system lock and space the critical cache file such as Windows Update cache file in the case corrupted or bugs for this. Okay, so click to start and type disk cleanup. Okay, and run as administrator. Okay, so open this, select download program file, temporary internet file. Okay, scroll down, find out Microsoft Defenders, this one, check, and direct sender cache, this one. Okay, and uncheck to temporary file. If you select this one, so automatically clean your recycle bin. Okay, if your data, you can uncheck it, and then okay, and then now this is cleaning. Windows Update cleanup. So it will take some time. Okay, so it will complete it after you restart your system. Okay, thank you.